As part of our commitment to the environment, we developed a patent-pending UV light biological growth inhibitor that will continuously control biological growth in the fluid path without the need to add chemical growth inhibitors and preventing algicides from being released into the world's waterways. Make sure the power is off before working on the unit. The UV light is externally mounted on the back of the unit on the rear panel on the right-hand side. To remove the housing, you will need a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. To remove the casing, use your number 2 Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws holding the housing in place. Once they're loose, slide the cover to the left and it will come off. To reinstall the UV light growth inhibitor, line up the tabs on the housing with the slots in the unit and slide it into place. Replace the 2 Phillips head screws and the UV port is back in place. It will be automatically activated again when the chiller is turned on. To find out more great tips on how to operate and maintain DuraChill, check out the other videos in this series.